Hi, I'm Hannah with Berger Wholesale Parts, and today I'm standing in our warehouse to show you that we have over 65,000 parts in stock. Once you place your order, it is sent to us immediately and processed within 24 hours. Once processed, a custom ticket is printed. One of our parts employees then locates the part, preps the part for shipping at one of our packing stations, and labels it with the ticket. Then, it's placed on one of our delivery trucks, where we'll get it to you quickly. So let us help you help your customers. Visit us online at bergerwholesaleparts.com to learn more.